Hello, and welcome to a new series of table manners. Today, we're going to be talking about proper eating style and two different main styles of eating in the West: continental versus American style. And let's talk about the proper eating style. Let's focus on this very simple and useful picture. Pretty much eat like this, not like that. Look how the gentleman is holding the fork like he's going to stab it with somebody, while the right way is to actually use the index as a support on the fork. That is the correct way to cut your meal, whether eating American or continental style, is to grasp your knife and fork in a relaxed, natural manner, never with clenched fists. Elbows are never placed on the table. They are accepted only when everyone has finished the meal. Now let's look at the American style versus the continental style. Let's pay attention. In the American style of eating, after cutting your meat, you switch the fork to your right hand, place your knife on the plate, spare a piece of meat, and then eat it. The ideal hand may be left hidden on your lap. In the continental eating style, you keep your fork in your left hand and convey the food to your mouth after cutting each piece. The knife remains in your hand and may be subtly used to get meat or any other food. The hand should never be hidden under the table for any length of time. Do not cut all the meat at once. I see that happening so many times. Cut only one or two small pieces ahead of time. Each time after you use your napkin, place the soiled section inside the folded portion so no one cannot see it. It's really annoying when somebody is having a meal and then the person in front of you on your side is making a mess and pretty much they leave their napkin, excusing themselves to go to the restroom and just dropping their nasty napkin on top of the plate, on top of the chair. Be respectful of the other people's senses, sight, ear, and this is pretty much what I had to say about proper eating style. We covered the right way to handle the knife and fork, the difference between American style and continental style. Do not be intimidated by this. It's just a matter of practice, and overall it will increase your comfort whenever you go to a dining situation. And to your success, once again, this was Sham, known in the community as the responsible restaurant owner. What do we do here? We help people open and run successful restaurants, and I do believe that proper table manners and etiquette should be a must known by hospitality professional. If you have any questions, come say hi, www.theresponsiblerestaurantowner, and until we meet again, remember that the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love. Yeah, absolutely. I love this restaurant business. I love it.